right, come on, Luigi. Mario, what do you want? Why'd you bring me into these woods? We're in the middle of nowhere. Okay, the reason why I brought you here is that I have to show you something really, really cool. And why'd you have to bring me here? So no one else would see it because someone want to take it. Fine, what is it? All right, this is gonna blow your mind. All right, I got a $2 bill. What? How did you get that? Those things are crazy rare. Well, it's a pretty funny story. It's pretty lucky, I gotta admit. So basically, one day I'm down in the sewers because Princess Peach is in trouble, and I find this guy, and he's like, hey, wait, oh my goodness! Ow! Oh my God, Mario! What the heck? Who was that thing? I don't know. Hey! You little rascal! What are you doing with my money? Oh, you little jerk! I'm gonna kill you! That little jerk! I'm gonna kill. What? He stole it! He stole it! Yeah, I know. Just what was he thinking? He said that nobody was here. I know. I didn't think anything was here. Well, I guess animals do live in here, but dang it! Did I say we go after him? Come on! We're gonna catch him, Luigi. We're gonna get him. I know we are. Let's go. You sins now. Give him the $1 back! Come on, monkey. What do you want? Do we have to give you something so that you'll give us that back? What? That's crazy! We can't get you those! We don't know what kind of berries you want, and we don't know where to find those. Pansy! Pan! I got tired of him. Just get the $1. Alright, I got it. Running. Alright, I got it. We just need to get the heck out of here so that we can... Whoa! Mario! Burn! Oh, jeez! What? You shoot bullets out of your mouth? So it's a fight you want. Just like 64. Yeah, that's right. Don't wanna mess with Luigi. Whew. Good job, Luigi. Yeah, Bo. Now, I suggest that you hide that. Yeah, I am.